here we are at www.goherbalife.com/BillW. Now I'm going to head to the shopping tab. Going to scroll on down here to the Herbalife24. And then we're going to take a look at Herbalife24 Rebuild Endurance. You can see it comes in vanilla. Here's the product overview, product details. Just pause the video if you want to read anything. Here's the PDF of the label. Just click on that. This is the full label. Here's the directions. You might want to go to full screen if you can't read it. Here's the nutrition facts and ingredients. And there you have it, Herbalife24 Rebuild Endurance.